Alright guys, like I said, I'm here at Brothers Motors. We about to, I think he got a Durango here with a 5.7 Hemi making a ticking noise also, so we're gonna find out what that's all about. Alright, yeah, that's it right here. It's pretty loud too, and it's dumping raw fuel into the cat, so I want to start this up and see what we come up with. Whoa. Yeah, I gotta get a whole complete engine in this mug. I mean, how do you isolate bottom end? That's deeper than a typical rock. Oh shit, that's broke.
Yeah, it's just broken in half.
Holy crap. That's what's making that hard ticking.
Somebody's been in this car. It's been a long while.
Whoa.
Somebody's been in this car before.
Yeah, I remember you saying that, but
They've been all in this car.
in the bottom and the top end?
Yeah, they broke a bone in the bottom end.
Whoa.
That's it?
So you pulled the head off and saw this rocker broke.
I pulled the valve cover off.
And that's all you needed to pull off to see that?
Yeah. Well, no, I didn't pull that off. I saw one of the bolts. I saw the bolts wasn't tight. So I backed that all the way out. Then when I pulled all the way out, that shit doesn't come out.
Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel guys, real quick. Hey, real quick, let me see what's going on over here. I'm in the neighborhood. As you can see, the family's at home sleeping now, so all we do eat and sleep, I guess. So I'm gonna run by the shop, see if anybody out here. As you can see, all the doors are closed, so at least the other guys that own the other part of the shop. So let me go around the side. I haven't talked to my buddy. I don't even know. He might be working on that Durango. Guys, we had a hard time, matter of fact, finding an engine, man. Oh yes, he's here. Let's see what he got going. All right, y'all hang tight. Let's see what's going on. The hell? Hey, man. Guys, don't hear no more ticking.
Huh?
Where the hell you find a rocker shaft at? I mean, where you find a new rocker shaft at?
What you mean?
A replacement rocker shaft?
No, that was my original estimate.
Oh, including the rocker shaft.
Yeah, everything.
Oh, you had a pretty good idea the shaft was broke? Who the
That
hell?
was my original estimate.
Oh, based on the noise.
Yeah, that was
Okay. Chances are he said it might be the wrong one for that car, so it could have very well. It's running, man. We hey, Brothers Motors, man. I know how we do. Hey, we couldn't find an engine, guys, so we had no other choice. Okay, it was a. Now y'all remember the original story? Y'all heard the noise. It was extremely loud. We came to the conclusion that it's too risky. So plan B was to find an engine. Plan B all of a sudden got shot down when we couldn't find an engine. So guys, at that point, our hands was tied. All right, when your hands are tied and you're trying to keep your customers happy, what do? You take matters into your own hands. So that's what we did. Y'all saw the teardown video where we decided to tear it down first. Because guys, you can never predict what's wrong with an engine until you tear it down. You have to tear it down. You have to get a visual inspection on what's going on inside. And then, only then, from there, you can figure out what you're gonna do. All right. So again, this wasn't our original plan, but we could not find an engine for nothing. I don't know what's going on with high demand or what, but the ones we did find, they was extremely expensive. So sat down, talk with the customer. All right, we'll give it a shot. Like I said, it was risky, but as you can hear, quiet. That was the goal. Fresh oil, fresh coolant, fresh everything. So I'd say mission accomplished myself. Brothers Motors, the shop is here in Snellville, Georgia, Atlanta area. I'm not gonna always be here, but guys, you can't come up here wasting our time. We do have a shop charge, diagnostic charge. We have the proper scan too to diagnose your Chrysler Jeep products. Okay, now any other make and model, we will have to make accommodation and adjustment. But if you own any of those other models, Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge, we can do the exact same thing basically that the dealer can do at a competitive rate. Even our diagnostic charge is competitive, $129 to properly. When I say, I'm not talking about, guys, just checking, see what code is in your computer. I'm talking about doing a proper diagnostics on your car. That rate is extremely competitive, all right? So you're checking your light on, come on out here and get it checked out, man. That's all I'm saying. And stay up on your maintenance, guys. Maintenance, when I say maintenance, I'm talking about differential service. I'm talking about transmission service. I'm talking about cooling system flush. Yes, we have the capability to do all of that, guys. I am still amazed how quiet this engine is compared to what it was. So